fazendo filme.
Well, the main thing that I was trying to convey today is just, and in Cachoeira and Salvador too, was how the use of sound has changed, and that there are, I was saying three, if we had more time I probably would say four times when the change was big. The 30s when sound first became available, the 60s when synchronous sound first became available in an easy way, the 80s when sound was combined with a much more expansive idea of what documentary was, like the Thin Blue Line, and I would say today, meaning the OOs, the new millennium, the 2000s, with all of the ways in which the digital image and sound are again giving us a richer and more complex set of possibilities. With a cell phone, sound recording is very elementary, and much of the effect of a film like People I Could Have Been comes from a soundtrack that's mixed later. In Terra also, where the rap group was mixed later to go with the images. Quality of sound in digital with home devices like cell phones can be a problem, but the high quality is extraordinary. With digital means, you can get sound that is unbelievable, almost literally unbelievable, but exceptionally good sound. So, and the systems that are available now for reproducing it, THX and Dolby and the others, there's just enormous possibility for a very rich, what I would call sensory environment with high quality, digital at the high end, using very high quality images, very high quality sound. You can create a very experientially rich form of encounter for the audience. I'd say the ironic view with documentary is one that is making mischief. And the filmmakers who use it are out to, in most cases, have fun in some way.